If you really like Google Gemini, but you wish it had a whiteboard, I will show you how to make one quickly. So come in here to gemini.google.com and you get to this home screen. And let's see, I'll keep it on 3 Pro, why not? So you don't even have to do this step, but I'll show it to you this way just in case. Click on Tools and then go down to Canvas. And I won't even make this complicated. I'll make this really straightforward. So I'll just say blank canvas whiteboard. And Canvas, it's both a word processor, a really like lightweight word processor, and then it's a either code editor or like it's not really an IDE, but it can create applications for you, like small applications, and go through the code. I'll show you in a second when this is done. But if you want something like a whiteboard, you can just go into Canvas and ask it to create a whiteboard. You don't necessarily have to know how to code. As you can see, it'll if you tell it what you want, it'll code for you. This is technically vibe coding. But you just tell it, again, really simply, I just want a canvas whiteboard. And it'll make one for you. And then it doesn't usually take that long. So it'll take maybe a minute or two. And then you'll have just a really basic whiteboard. Again, I could have went all out. I didn't have to just say, blank canvas whiteboard. I could have gone through all the specifics and said that I want, these shapes. I wanted to be able to create a square and a triangle and a circle and this and that. But I mean, just with saying literally 3 words, blank canvas whiteboard, now I have this surface and have the little pencil selected, and I'm just using the mouse here and I'm just drawing shapes like this. This is now a very basic whiteboard, and I don't like that. Like, I can change the thickness here. This is an eraser, so if I don't like any of those things, I can just kind of go over this and erase everything. And it's like, okay, well, maybe, okay, that looks kind of weird. So now I can come back over here and then I can refine it. So I can say, maybe I don't like the white background, so maybe I like a black background. It's just easier on the eyes or whatever, so I can just ask it, hey, change the background to black, and then give it a second, and theoretically it'll go in and it'll change the whiteboard to black. So there, now it's black. So now I can come in here and select whatever color I want. So let's say I want to, let's pick that color, sure. And there we go. There it is. And again, because I kept it really basic, I don't know how it works because it just coded something. So I mean, I can say really specifically, I want to have I don't know, green, red, blue, orange, and purple as the colors, and I don't want a color picker, and then it would have that. But like this, I didn't tell it what to do, so it just gave me a color picker, and then I can use the dropper here and then like pick whichever color I want. But like now I have a whiteboard, so it's like if maybe I'm on a Zoom call and I can just now share my screen here and just draw something really quickly for people, or I can go over here and go to the code, and maybe I don't understand code, but I can give this to my tech team who can do all the things. Or maybe I do understand code and like, oh, okay, I can take all this, and this is, so almost 400 lines. Take this, highlight everything, drop it in VS Code or whatever IDE you use, and then just make this the starting point and build out an application from it. I mean, it's an application now, but I can change a bunch of things. But yeah, I mean, this is something like this. It's really easy to do in Canvas, and you can just go in and tell Canvas, hey, I want a whiteboard. And again, all I said here is blank canvas whiteboard, and we got here, and then where are we? Just change the background to black, and now I have a fully functional whiteboard. Like I'm using my mouse, but it works with, you know, my Wacom tablet. I could use that on here. If it was on a phone, I could add a touch interface. This will actually probably work with touch. But I mean, then I can just go back and forth with Gemini and just have it add whatever features I want or take away whatever features I want. So you don't really have to know how to code or know how to do all the things. If you just come into Gemini and just ask it for what you want, it'll either just tell you I can't do that, or again, in this case, it's like, oh yeah, sure, here's a whiteboard. That took, what, maybe a minute? So yeah, I mean, if that's interesting, come in here, just try it out. Just do, again, really basic prompt and ask it what you want, and then just refine it and just play around and see what you create. Yeah, have fun.